Well guys, we've been driving for about an hour or so. I'm really tired still, but there's the Civic. We're towing it with a Jeep. Everything's going well so far. We're gonna check the straps, get some food, get some coffee, and then head out to the tuners. But yeah, so far so good. I'm just really exhausted. Check out my shoes. I was like, why does it feel so weird walking? I have them backwards, but I'm tired. Whatever, I'm gonna keep them backwards. As you can see, it's finally daylight. We have the hatch. We're here now. We have to wait 2 hours for Carlos, the tuner, to wake up. So we made it pretty easily, but now we're just gonna wait 2 hours. The hatch is staying here with the tuner. We're gonna come back in a couple weeks and pick it up. I'm super excited, so hopefully you guys are too. Ricardo's Miata staying here as well, but these things are getting tuned by Carlos Tuning in Orlando, Florida. I'm happy and I'm really excited. Hopefully this thing comes out well, but for now we're gonna head out and leave it here with the tuner. Well guys, from the last clip you saw, the hatch is with the tuner and it runs now. He sent me a clip. I'm gonna try to insert it somewhere here if I can. But today we're back at Ricardo's garage because we're really excited. We have a really awesome package for this thing right here, the eunos. These are custom, one-of-a-kind turn signal intakes. What's in the box? This is the first time. This is gonna be a bomb for all I know. Nope, they're turn signals. Custom-made turn signals for me. One-of-a-kind turn signal intakes. They're waterproof. They look sick from the video I've seen. These are waterproof, one of a kind. I gotta clean them. And I keep saying one of a kind, but they're one of a kind. They're gonna go like this. Look at that. Look at that. Oh! And it comes with a resistor. Hey, what do you think? Look. That's dope. Hey, look, turn signal. That's badass. Well boys, this is the next day. I just woke up. I'm super tired, and yeah, I actually crashed my car last night. I was driving and I crashed my car because I have some really bald tires and it's really rainy in Florida. Luckily there was nobody around. Like, I was driving slow. I hit a puddle of water in this car so low that I started hydroplaning, went into a ditch, broke the bumper. But long story short, we're gonna start off the day by actually getting new tires put on. We do have new tires. I just haven't had time to balance them, so we're not gonna be rocking the gold and whatever chrome or silver. We're gonna be rocking full silver rotor grids with brand new tires. It's just the fact that I just haven't had time. I work too much, but I did crash. Luckily it's nothing. There's no real damage. Literally it just broke the bumper and it peeled the paint on the bumper a little bit, so nothing major. So we're gonna drill it back in and that should solve that. We also have a Zerk Fabrication rear jack point that we bought about a month ago. Let me go get that. Here we have the Zerk Fabrication bar. This is the jack point bar, and this took about, I would not even kid, about 2 months to get, and it was $150. So from looking at it just from this angle and everything by how sturdy it is, honestly this was not worth the money. And I feel like this will probably end up bending, to be honest. This is literally 5 pounds. Like, it's not a lot of weight. It feels it honestly feels kind of cheap for $150. The one on his website actually had a cool design on tow hooks. This one doesn't have anything. It's like he got lazy doing it. Literally has a hole in a hole. There's this guy called Dave Fab that looks so much better. So honestly, I should have gone with a Dave Fab for the same price, but we have this now, so we're gonna put it on. I got it for autocrossing, so if I go again, we can swap the tires very easily. We can put a jack in the back, lift it up. We dropped off the tires. Now we're going home. We're gonna install that Zerk Fabrication bar. So we're gonna leave it here and we'll be back in 30 minutes. This looks so freaking dope. Check this out, guys. Like, wow, this looks really cool. We did install the rear bar as well. By the way, it's my birthday, that's why there's a lot of cars at my house. But we installed the rear bar. I'll show you guys that tomorrow. We'll lift it up. It's a little late. I lost my GoPro, so I didn't get any footage on that. But man, I just had to show you guys this again. I'll be honest with you guys, this car has been great. It's been really amazing, but I have been thinking about it for a while, so I kind of want to get your opinion on it. Once I get the hatch, I plan on daily driving the hatch. Yes, I know it has an up pipe, but you know, I just need it for work and back. I'm not gonna be taking it long distances or anything like that. But I do plan on making the hatch my daily track car, maybe drag car. Like, I want to be able to drive this car and I want to be able to have fun without braking. And honestly, it should do that. It's built. I know it's gonna give me some problems here and there, but besides the point, I do plan on daily driving the hatch and doing a lot with the hatch. Now we're gonna start fixing everything, the interior and stuff like that, now that it runs. But I have thought about selling the eunos. So if any of you guys are interested in buying the eunos, hit me up on Instagram. I leave it in the link, or I leave it in the description box all the time. Same with my Snapchat. Hit me up if you guys are interested. I have a number in my head. This is a really clean car, honestly, and it has a lot of money into it. I got it cheap, but I put so much work and money into it, and you can still get it for cheaper than what a imported one would cost. So this one's already really nice, and it has a lot of nice pieces, and it's cheaper than if you would import one, so you can't really lose. But I'm contemplating selling it. It's not a for sure thing yet, but if anybody wants to hit me up and throw a price at me, maybe I'll sell it. You know, I'm thinking about it now. But I've been thinking about selling it in order for me to buy a GTR. Not a GTR, sorry, a Skyline. Pretty much a GTR. Because I want to build my credit, so I kind of want to get a loan out for a Skyline. Yeah, so if you guys want to hit me up, if you're interested, hit me up. I've been looking at getting a Skyline GTST. They go for around 20K. So if I sell this for 8, I can put that as a down payment for the Skyline and then finance the rest. And yes, I know it would be smarter to pay it off completely, but I need debt in order to build my credit. I've been buying a lot of random stuff, and I'm building it right now because I want to get a truck. But in order to get the truck I want, I need to build it up pretty high. So I need to get in debt. So I need to bring my credit score a lot higher, and it's honestly been getting a lot better lately. I paid off my braces, so I have 0 debt right now, and it's my credit score went up 50 points. So I have pretty good credit score, but I need to constantly keep getting in debt to bring it more up. I'm so bad at YouTubing. Like, I don't, honestly, it's a hassle, but we did fix the e-brake. It works now. So for any potential buyer in the future, this thing does work now. It's really stiff. I can't even put it all the way up. So that officially works. And the jack point, the Zerk fabrication jack point, works as well. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I don't think it's worth the money. It's just a piece of metal. It was different on the actual website. It had a cool design. This is just a bar. For that kind of money, honestly, I think I paid 150 bucks for it. Just go to the junkyard and make your own. Buy a welder. It doesn't look too hard. And what made it worse is the fact that the shipping took so long. No. I had to wait 2 months for that bar, but let's jack it up for you guys. It works really well, I'm not gonna lie. It does work, but I don't think the price is justifiable. It's too much. There we go, we jacked up the whole car. The wheels are not touching the ground. Plus, we're in Hurricane Irma. No, I'm kidding. It looks like a freaking hurricane right now. Check that out. Really, really bad. It looks like a hurricane. Look at this. Hard body in the shop. So I'm gonna end the video here, guys. Next video you see, we will go get the hatch and put it on the dyno and see what it makes. I'm super excited for that. Sorry if this video is all over the place. It was just hard to this wind. It was just hard to concentrate, honestly, and I have a lot of things going on in work right now, so I really wasn't thinking about recording. But I'm gonna end the video here. Sorry it wasn't super exciting. Next video, it should be pretty exciting, so I'll see you guys next time.